Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the roller from this lower dish rack from your GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The lower rack in this GE dishwasher uses 4 of these rack roller assemblies. Each one of these rack roller assemblies has 2 rollers inside of it that help the dishwasher's rack move in and out of the tub. If the rack assemblies or rollers become damaged, it becomes increasingly difficult to move the dishwasher's rack out of the dishwasher, especially over that gap in between the door and the tub. For this video, we have 2 variations of the rack assemblies installed on our lower rack. The assembly with the locking clip on the top is the original that came on the rack when we bought it from the store. The updated rack roller that you see here was purchased from PartsDoctor.com. Your lower rack will have either 4 of the original rack roller assemblies or 4 of the updated rack roller assemblies. Regardless, we'll show you how to change a roller on either one. If you need to purchase a replacement roller, make sure you avoid cheap, junky aftermarket parts and get OEM certified parts like the ones that we sell on our website, PartsDoctor.com. We'll throw a link in the description below. Make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you get the correct part. To replace the roller on the original rack roller design, first flip over the dish rack. From here you can see that there are some small tabs that hold the roller to the assembly. To remove the roller, simply squeeze the tabs together. We're going to use a needle nose pliers. Once the tabs have been pushed together, simply slide the roller off and you can discard it. Once the roller is removed from the spindle, be sure to inspect the spindle and the tabs to make sure that everything is in good working order. As you can see on this other assembly, there is a broken tab, so sliding a roller on can come right off. So if you have a broken assembly, simply replacing the roller wheel will not fix your problem. If you do need to purchase a new rack carrier assembly, they are sold in a set of 4 that includes the 8 rollers. The replacement kit comes with 4 updated rack carriers that hold the rollers in place, making them virtually impossible to fall off. We'll leave a link below to where you can purchase these and also to a video that shows you how to replace all 4 on your lower dish rack. If you've inspected the spindles on your assembly and everything looks like it's in good working order, simply take the new roller and slide it over the tabs until it clicks into place and your roller is fully installed. To replace the roller on the new updated version, simply apply pressure to the top of the cover on both sides until it clicks, work it backwards, set it aside, and now you have access to your roller. Simply slide the new roller over the spindle, align the housing, and snap it into place. Once you've replaced your rollers, you can now move your dish rack back to the appliance and start dishwashing. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.